am reincarnated. I was stargazing. Life goes on. I need all my babies. Woke up looking for the broccoli. High key, keep a horn on me. Deck of my seat. IP ownership. The blueprint is by me. Mr. Get Off, I get off.
Transhumanism is an outgrowth of secular humanism and enlightenment. It holds that current human nature is improvable through the use of applied science and other rational methods, which may make it possible to increase human health span, extend our intellectual and physical capacities, and give us increased control of our own mental states and moods. But at what cost is the question.
They not like us. 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 You think the pay gon' let you disrespect Pop, nigga? I am reincarnated. I was stargazing. Life goes on. I need all my babies.
Our future seems very uncertain. How will enhancement relate to human identity? What if one does not seek enhancement? What will happen to the ways humans experience meaning? Does suffering have value? What will be worth living for in a world where radical technologies displace human finitude? What are the enhancements? Nanotechnology, biotechnology, information technology, cognitive science. These are used as tools such as artificial intelligence, machine automation, genetic engineering, and cryogenic freezing.
I am reincarnated. I was stargazing. Life goes on. I need all my babies. Woke up looking for the broccoli. High key, keep a horn on me. Deck of my seat. IP ownership. The blueprint is by me. Mr. Get Off, I get off at my feet. Put it on that beat, go. Aye, monster on the beat, ho. Debo, any rap nigga, here free.
Transhumanists' commitment to seek more intelligence, wisdom, and effectiveness, an open-ended lifespan, and the removal of political, cultural, biological, and psychological limits to continued development. Moore's commitment to perpetual progress insisted there should be no ceiling for technology's potential to redesign human beings. The idea of perpetual progress then implies a commitment to the principle of epistemology, certainly in that it assumes no predetermined limit to what human beings can achieve or ways they may be transformed.
I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor. They not like us. 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 You think the pay gon' let you disrespect Pop, nigga?
Today, in the modern West, mechanical surveillance is almost wholly subliminal, a part of life. Employers, social agencies, government institutions, political and military leaders rely on constant technological surveillance as one, a method of maintaining control, and two, a method of gathering the information needed to enforce the control. Workers and citizens have been almost perfectly conditioned to use, for example, few people ever question its normacy.